This is all stuff I don't use very often, but I want to have with me just in case. We're going to Lake Panasofki in Central Florida, close to Ocala. And then from there, we're going to continue driving north somewhere, away from Florida, away from the heat as much as possible. Well, it's starting to rain, which is good in some ways because it will cool things down. Never mind, things have changed very quickly. It's sunny and hot again. I think this is it. There is no one here. This is all just for me, just for us. This is very nice. The guy who works here, he just came by to say hi and make sure I had a reservation. Even though this place is free, it's a free campground, you still have to make a reservation. It's raining, so I'm just hiding in my car for now, waiting for the rain to pass, and then I'll come out and show you around. But look, how pretty is this? Look at those trees. Luckily, I have a towel. So I'm being very irresponsible running around in the rain. It just looked fun. And it was fun. And I recommend it. Get out there, get wet, go run in the rain. The sun is coming out, believe it or not. You see, it looks a little different now. I want to go for a little hike. As soon as the rain passes, we'll go. There's a hiking trail that way, the guy said. The guy, I should have asked his name. I didn't ask him for his name, so I keep calling him the guy. Let's call him Bob. Bob, Carl. Could have been a John for my mom. It's not raining as much anymore, so I'm thinking about going to the bathroom. They do have a bathroom here, which is pretty nice for being a free campground. Later, maybe we'll go for a little hike, depending on the weather. Anyway, I'm gonna walk away. Except that I want to point out that there's another picnic table right there. So one campsite here. They're all very close together, but because I'm all by myself, it doesn't matter. They can all be close together. I just get more tables for myself. There's one here. I think I got the best one. And then 2, 3, like four more right here. Oh, I'm gonna do some yoga here in the morning. I don't know how to do yoga, but I have a yoga mat. We can try it. Ooh. Wait, this is a yoga pose. Hold on. It's called the airplane. Something like that. All right, bathroom time. Let's go. Looks like the bathroom is right there. Lock the car. This camera doesn't have the best stabilization, so I have to be kind of careful when I'm walking with the camera. I don't have a gimbal. I actually have a gimbal, but it's so much more work to use that. Pretty, huh? All of these are campsites right here. And no one wants to be here. Why? What's wrong, guys? You're missing out. But I'm not. Bob lives right there. The bathroom is right there. And I don't know if he lives there, but he stays there. Enjoy your public lands. They have horses here, or you're able to bring your horse. I'm not sure. Something like that. Oh yeah, you can bring your horse if you have one. But we don't have a horse, sadly. The next thing, living out of your horse. These are the bathrooms. The women's bathroom. But before we go there, look at this whole thing. You can have a picnic, you can eat here, get away from your car, you can work there. Let's see. Should I be scared? It's nice, it's free. Look at this. A sink. And then toilets, real toilets. Frog's living here. Hi, you're cute. You live in the bathroom? We'll use the other toilet, okay? You can have that one. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this off so that I can go to do the thing. Just kidding, because there's a frog in my toilet. We'll try this one. Since there are no frogs in the toilet here, I don't think. Oh, that's disgusting. We're done with the bathroom. Apart from the froggy toilets, everything so far seems pretty good. A few days ago, I installed these guards. That way, tonight, if it's raining, I can roll my windows down a little bit and still get some air and not get wet. I kind of messed up a little bit here. It's not perfectly straight, but the other side is straight. The other side looks a lot better. I just put these up. These are my window screens. These are really good because they help you keep the bugs out, and I rolled the windows down all the way to here. Air can go in and mosquitoes cannot. Come, kitty. Are you my new best friend? You know I'm all alone, so you come and give me some company, but you're dirty. I wish I had some food for you. I didn't bring any kitty food. I don't know what I can give you. You must be hungry. Let me think, kitty. What do I have that you could have? Well, let me go check and see if I have anything, okay? I was gonna cook something, but I'm not really hungry yet, so I had a big breakfast this morning, a late breakfast, so I may not cook anything tonight, but I will definitely cook something in the morning. Well, by cook, I mean mix things up, like stuff that is already cooked. I'm not gonna all of a sudden become a chef just because I'm on the road. I would like to, but it's not gonna happen. Look at this background, guys. Like, look at this. Tomorrow, I'm going to the Silver Springs in Florida. We're still in Florida for a little bit. One thing that I want to make sure I'm doing is exercising. And I have a membership to Planet Fitness, which obviously that's where I will take my showers. But I will force myself to work out before taking a shower because it makes me feel better. I'm happier when I work out. I'm getting bitten. Mosquitoes, please go somewhere else. Oh, you guys don't have anywhere else to go because no one else is here? Fun. Here we are. Is that a good thumbnail? Just in case. Smile, just in case. Enough of this. Things get dirty very fast, so luckily, if I could open the door, I have a little vacuum cleaner. It's not sponsored, but I'm going to leave a link in the description. And here, let's do it. It works really well. Oh, so mossy. Oh, the moss. The mosses? Moss. One moss. Two mossies? Moss? Okay, enough nonsense. Let's go. I just looked it up. The plural of moss is mosses. Mosses. Whoa. Are you a spider? Yeah, you guys can have your mosses. I will leave you alone. I know I have toothpaste in here. Oh, Bob is coming. And the cat is going. I will tell him I forgot his name. And then ask him again. Should I tell him about the frogs in the bathroom? What is he gonna do? It's not like he's gonna go and remove them. I don't want him to remove. Poor little frogs, they just live there. He left. Where's he going? Bob? I thought he was coming here. He's right there, look. There goes Bob. Anyway, I got my toothpaste and my toothbrush. This will also be an opportunity to visit the frogs. And we can name the frogs too. Kermin and... Is there any other famous frog? Kermin and Kermina, the Lake Panasoffkis, campground, bathroom frogs. How is it that I live here by myself? How is this possible? Where is everyone? You guys, people, come here. It's free. It's nice. Hi, Kermina. Kermina. Unless you don't like frogs, I highly recommend this campground. Who's that? Hopefully it's Bob. Nope. We have neighbors. I'm about to get ready for bed and then see this bug in here. You guys, you need to get out of here. You need to get out. You cannot be here. I could have gone around, but I felt like making it harder for some reason. Leg. Oh, you gotta be very flexible to live like this. Okay, where did you go? I did see that it's a couple, a man and a woman in the car. I hear him. I think he's here somewhere. Look at all these bugs. Guys. No. Better. This is my closet. I have everything very well organized. I'm going to the gym, so because I'm gonna work out and not just take a shower, I need to find something to wear to the gym, and then also what I would wear after the gym. All right, all of my leggings are here, my pants, all the bottoms are here. All of the short sleeve shirts are here. All of the long sleeve shirts are here. So organized. I'm gonna remove the window screens, and they're all wet because it rained last night. It's okay, they'll dry. Starbucks. It's an addiction, an expensive addiction. I have a gift card, luckily. I need to stop. But it makes me happy. Cheers. Planet Fitness. I used to feel nervous leaving my car by itself out here because I was afraid of somebody breaking in and taking my computer. So this, maybe doing this will fix all of my problems. Anyway, we are here. We're at Planet Fitness. This is so convenient. You can exercise, go to the bathroom, take a shower. But you know what? I'm gonna test the massage massage chairs, and what else do they have? I don't know, but we're gonna do it all. It's also a good idea to have one of these so you can lock your bag and everything, especially if you're working out. It works somehow. All right, let's go.